Hello everyone, this is Fuji Research. This is the work of removing ignition coil casing from an engine. I was curious what plastic material is used for the casing. I found homepage of a corporation named Nexus that introduced ignition coil, saying it is made of PPS. PPS stands for Polyphenylene Sulfide. Take a look at one more. One of bearing maker, JTEKT, discloses an unique bearing product which uses PPS for its cages. In this example, it is not a ball bearing, but a cylindrical roller bearing. Polyplastics, which I introduced in the past, also supplies PPS polymer. Looking carefully at its homepage, I found another maker named Kureha Corporation. It said that the Polyplastics produces PPS compound based on the supply of a PPS polymer. This means after receiving a PPS polymer from Kureha, Polyplastics put additives such as carbon black to complete PPS compound. Now let me take a look at the Kureha's website to see PPS pellets. Kureha put a trademark of Fortron KPS on PPS polymer. Natural PPS is light gray. This picture is from a website of DICEP. Additives such as pigment and carbon blacks can be added to natural polymer. This work is called compounding. A component made of PPS is used in engine room, so I like to check its property of heat resistance. It must be excellent. Toray also supplies PPS named Torelina. According to its website, Toray has two approaches to describe property of heat resistance. One is continuous use temperature, that is about 195 to 245 degrees Celsius. The second is heat distortion temperature, that is about 260 degrees Celsius. So how is PPS classified among polymers? This illustration shown in the previous video is from Asahi Kasei. Based on this, PPS belongs to thermoplastic specialized engineering plastics and is also crystalline. Here, so-called specialized engineering plastic, but it is normally called super engineering plastic. Let's talk about molecular structure of PPS. It's very simple, isn't it? A benzene and a sulfide are bonded as a PPS monomer, and the monomer is polymerized to build up a molecular chain. So, what are raw ingredients to make PPS? Website of Polyplastics said the ingredients are para-dichlorobenzene and sodium sulfide. It seems to be complicated. By the way, who developed PPS? Again, it was an US corporation, Phillips Petroleum, achieved the development of commercial process in 1973. I like to check more applications of PPS polymers. Kureha homepage lists engine room components at the top. Also, other applications include casing of PC and smartphone. Homepage of DIC also provides PPS application list. Along with ignition coil casing, other automobile components are in the list. The DIC list also mentions about cooling systems such as radiator upper and lower. So it is obvious that excellent heat resistance of PPS determines the use. Kureha's Iwaki Factory is in Iwaki City of Fukushima Prefecture, about 120 miles distant from heart of Tokyo. Also, it is about 16 miles from heart of Iwaki City. Route 6 is close by the Iwaki factory. The route connects Tokyo to Sendai City. I am willing to go to see the factory. Now my vehicle is approaching front gate of Kureha Iwaki Factory. In the right, it is Kureha's Iwaki Factory. The left is the Nippon paper, Nasoko mill. I will make a right turn on this intersection to go around. In the right, it is again Kureha's factory. Again, I make a right turn. Kureha transportation is in the left. In the left again, Kureha's environment appeared. There is a Kureha service here. Okay, I will put the end.